Hi, my name is Vedant Bhalke. Recently, I underwent DNS surgery performed by Dr. Sarika Sonone. Before the surgery, I struggled a lot with severe difficulty in breathing, which really impacted my daily life. I felt very uncomfortable, such as while doing activities like running, sleeping, exercising. It was very uncomfortable and I was not properly able to breathe. Dr. Sarika explained me everything and made the entire process very smooth and stress free. She is extremely skilled and very friendly. She made me feel very comfortable throughout the procedure. I experienced no pain during and after the surgery, and even after the surgery every day she uh, communicated with me and helped me a lot during my recovery process. After the surgery, my breathing is very clear and I feel like I have got a new life. The improvement has been very incredible. I can now breathe freely, sleep properly, and feel very energetic in my life. I am truly grateful to Dr. Sarika Sonone for her expertise, care, and difference she has made in my life. Thank you.